If you'd like to keep different types of browsing separate, Firefox profiles are one of the best features available. A profile acts like its own browser environment with separate bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, extensions, settings, and themes. This makes profiles perfect for keeping work and personal browsing apart, creating dedicated study environments, or sharing a computer with other people. In this video, I'll show you how to create profiles in Mozilla Firefox. Let's get started. Click the menu button in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, if you have a profile already, click on its name. If this will be your first profile creation, you should see Profiles. Click on it. Once the Profile Manager opens, click New Profile. Firefox will ask you to choose a name for the profile. You can call it anything you like, such as Work, Personal, School, Gaming, Research, or another name that fits how you'll use it. You'll also be able to choose a color to help distinguish it from your other profiles. Once you've finished, click Done Editing. Firefox will immediately create the new profile and give you the option to switch to it. When you open that profile, you'll notice it starts as a fresh browsing environment. To switch between profiles later, go back to where you created the profile and click Manage Profiles. You can have multiple profiles for different purposes. For example, a work profile might contain productivity extensions and business bookmarks. A personal profile could be used for everyday browsing and social media, and a study profile might contain learning resources, research tabs, and educational tools. If you ever decide you no longer need a profile, open the Profile Manager again. Find the profile you want to remove and select the Delete option. Firefox will then ask whether you want to remove only the profile entry or delete its associated browsing data as well. Be careful when deleting profiles, as removing profile data can permanently erase bookmarks, history, saved passwords, and other information stored within that profile. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed profiles in Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.